The number A is 55% less than the number B. The number B is 320% greater than 160. What is the value of A? Okay, now let me consider the first piece of information, that is number A is 55% less than the number B. We can write this information as an equation. Here we have A is, that is A is equal to 55% less than. Since we have the term less than, we have to subtract this 55 from 100. Then we have 100 negative 55. Then we have to take percentage of the number B, that is of B. Okay, now let's do some simplification over here. 100 negative 55 is 45, that is A equals to 45% of B. Okay, now let me consider the second piece of information. The number B is 320% greater than 160. We can write this one also as an equation, that is B is equal to, since we have the stuff greater than, we have to add this number 320 to 100. 100 positive 320 percentage of this number, that is 160. Okay, B equals to, let's do some simplification. We get 420 percentage of 160. Okay, we have two equations now. Now let's take these two equations in Desmos to get the value of A. Okay, let me go to Desmos, open the square bracket. Now in this square bracket, we have to consider the stuff we have on the left side of both the equations. So we have A and B on the left side of both the equations. So A comma B, close the square bracket. Now take the tilde sign, open the square bracket now. Now we have to consider the stuff we have on the right side of both the equations, this one and this one. That is, the first one is 45% of B. Let me type it, 45% of B, comma. And the stuff we have on the right side of the second equation is 420% of 160, close the square bracket. Okay, here I got the value of A in Desmos, that is A equals to 302.4.